Hello client. So today, i-discuss ko sa'yo yung mga products ni ProLife in a nutshell, no? Pro Millionaire. Ito yung product namin na single pay plan, 1 million, isang bagsak, and it becomes part of your fund value, and you can have 125% sum assured as guaranteed yung Pro Millionaire na yan. Okay, as long as nandyan yan, you are insured 125%. The next product we have is ProLink Investor Account Plus. ProLink Investor Account Plus. Okay. So itong product naman ito, kinaibahan niya lang sa Pro Millionaire is that 500,000 lang yung single pay plan niya. So mas magaan siya supposedly. Okay. The next product we have is Pro Lifetime Income. Okay. So sa Pro Lifetime Income, kung magkaling sum assured mo, 5% of that value will be provided for you as annual profit or annual cash out. So you can choose na matira siya sa account mo or pwede na ma-annual payout siya sa'yo. So for instance, meron kang 2 million na sum assured. So ang 5% ng 2 million is 100,000. So every year, from the 6th year onwards until buhay ka pa, you can get 100,000 per year. On the same case, kung gusto mo ipamana to sa anak mo na nag-asawa na or gusto mo pamana to sa, gusto mo siyang gawing educational plan, 100,000 a year, swak na swak din to sa'yo. As long as alive ka, you get 100,000 per year. So, Pro Lifetime Income. So, the next product we have is Pro Million Flex. Okay? Flex. Okay. Pro Million Flex. Ito naman, 250,000 minimum annual premium. So, ang maganda dito, aside from dito, puro, itong dalawang to is single pay plan. Single pay plan. Itong Pro Lifetime Income, pwede mo siyang gawin na monthly. Okay. Tapos yung Pro Million Flex natin, you can do it annually, quarterly, half-yearly, up to monthly. Dahil 250,000 a year yung minimum, you would have to pay around 21,000 or more on average per month so that you can get yung Pro Million Flex. Ano naman pinagkaiba niya? Pro Million Flex, you get 5 times sum assured. Magkano man yung invest mo. Let's say nag-invest ka ng 250,000 yung minimum namin. Then, you get 1,250,000 sum assured para sa'yo. And it serves as your investment as well for short term. Bakit? Kasi ito, 2 years to pay lang. Itong Pro Lifetime Income namin, 6 years to pay. 5 or 10 years to pay. Tapos ito, single pay plan. So client, ito naman yung Elite, ito yung limited pay plan natin, no? So, sa lahat ng to halos, walang critical illness to mga nasa taas, more of heavy investment. Pero kung gusto mo, kulang pa yung critical illness mo. By the way, critical illness coverage per person, maximum is 10 million per life. So, kung gusto mo na wala ka ng aantabayanan, napakamahal magkasakit, the best thing that you can do is maximize the 10 million critical illness coverage. Especially kung healthy ka pa, wala ka pang pre-existing condition. So, now we focus on the Pro Elite and the ProLink Assurance Account Plus. Okay? So, yung Elite and Account Plus namin, ito yung merong critical illness coverage. Most ng mga riders na meron kami nandito sa Elite at saka sa paan namin. So, limited pay plan ng Elite, 5, 7, 10, and 15. While itong Pro Link Assurance Account Plus namin, ito yung regular pay plan. You have to pay for as long as you are insured. So, yung tinatawag nilang flexible plan. Pero kung titingnan mo, lahat naman po yan flexible. So, ibig sabihin yan, pag regular pay, ito yung sinasabi ng iba na 10 years to pay, pero flexible. Ako, I tell my clients, this is lifetime payment. This is regular pay. So as long as you're insured, you have to pay the premiums. But the good thing is, kung meron ng fund value na laman yung policy mo, then that fund value can actually pay for the premiums if you want to stop it at any time or if there is nothing na pangbayad mo doon sa premiums mo. Okay, so yung clients, yung mga products natin dito sa PruLife UK, pwedeng investment heavy, pwedeng protection heavy. It's up to your priorities, client. So kung gusto mo ng critical illness coverages, I would recommend isa dito sa Elite at sa PAA. Pinakamura natin, PAA. Ito, it starts at around 2K per month sa mga bata-bata pa. Mga 20 years old, 20 to 25 years old siguro, kaya 2 to 3K per month. Pero sa Elite, we start sa around 8K kapag 15 years. And then kapag 5 years, it's around 20K na per month. Sa Pro Million Flex, ayun nga, parang 21K per month ang start, pero ito 2 years to pay lang. Tapos itong lifetime income, ayan, pwedeng bayaran mo ng 5 or 10 years and then may payout ka at the end of year 6. Okay? Then meron tayong ProLink Insurance, ProLink Investor Account Plus, 500,000. And meron tayong Pro Millionaire 1 million. So, ayun po. So, anong mga pwede mong gamitin dito? So, if for instance, gusto mo ng education fund for your anak, okay, so pwede po yan. Gusto mo na mag-ipon para sa property na gusto mong bilhin, pwede rin po yung mga VULs natin. Kasi, yan, pag nasa fund value mo na nag-grow, that's your money. You can withdraw it anytime. Yung iba din ginagamit to pang down ng bahay. Yung iba naman, priority talaga is yung protection. Na kung may nangyari sa kanila as breadwinner, they make sure na merong matitira sa pamilya nila so that they can sustain a lifetime. And meron din naman, priority is critical illness, para kapag nagkasakit sila, alam nila ang mahal magkasakit. So, kumukuha sila ng critical illness dito sa dalawa na sa baba.